All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our final week. And I know many of you have already finished your assignments on pointers and dynamic memory allocations, so all the stuff from Chapter 9 is all done. So I'm posting this a little bit early, but so you can hopefully get started. So for the final week, I don't like to have tests. I don't know. What are we gonna have multiple choice tests on programming and things stupid? So what you're gonna do is actually you're gonna have two programs that you'll work on, and we'll take a look at each one of these really quickly. So they're both due on December 16th, so that's Sunday of the week of finals. So I guess good news, you'll be done with finals a little early. That'll give me time to get these graded before they are due for us to submit final grades before we leave for Christmas. So anyway, so due December 16th. So you have a little over a week to do that. And so let's take a look at each one of them. The first one is a bank ATM program. So just really quickly, I'll just run through it real quickly. I mean, pretty self-explanatory, but just in case. So you're simulating ATM machine, and what we're talking about is, the user's going to have to enter a four-digit code. So they've got their PIN number that they're going to, or their PIN that they're going to enter, and that'll give them access to the ATM or their account. And if they don't enter correctly, then they should be denied access. And then once you're in, then you're going to do this. I guess technically it's more like I don't know, online banking, because what you're going to do is you're going to ask the user. So instead of pulling a balance, you will ask the user for a beginning balance, and then you're going to ask them, do you have any deposits, any withdrawals, and then go ahead and use that until the user says, hey, I'm done, and you're going to exit the program, and then it will display the current balance. Okay, so fairly straightforward. I think you guys will be okay with this one. In fact, I didn't even put a sample run of the program because I don't know, this one's fairly straightforward. Okay. Then there's this one. So this hot dog calculator program, if you have, I don't know, taken any other language from me, I tend to like this program, mainly because you get to practice using the modulus. So if you might use mod for this. There are other ways of doing it, but we've got a program here. We're having this little um, problem, age-old problem. So hot dogs come in packages of 10, buns come in packages of 8. So with a certain number of people coming and certain number of hot dogs they're going to eat, what is the minimum number of hot dogs required and hot dog buns, and then what will be left over. So just a really quick kind of little sample run in here for you to have something to test your math if you use 97 to 3. And in this program, we're assuming that each person is eating the same number of hot dogs, so not really, I mean, that big a deal, but so we're assuming that if we say 97 people are attending this cookout, each person is going to eat 3. So we'll leave it at that. So if you take a look at these, we have a minimum number of hot dog packages that you need. Here's the packages of hot dogs buns that you need, and then what's left over. So I don't know, I think it's kind of a fun one. Like I said, if you've taken one of my classes, I like this problem. So anyway, so I have those two things for you to play with this week. So the bank ATM one and the hot dog one, and that will be it for our course. So make sure you get those submitted on time because I will definitely try and start grading those right away during the week so we can get final grades done. And then that's really it for the course. So I mean, nothing, from my programming lab or anything like that this week. Just these two programs. So have fun.